working with Amazon can be a little tricky. So I've made this quick video just to give you a heads up and so that there are no surprises coming your way. Now, when you're applying for an affiliate account with Amazon, they will check to make sure that you're a real person. So they're going to go to your website or blog. If you don't have a website or a blog, there are free tools online to make those. Okay. Another thing is, I know it's common sense, but you have to read their rules. A lot of people do not read their rules because, frankly, a lot of people just don't have time, or they do not think that it's that important to read the rules. Okay, they have several rules, a lot of them that may surprise you. So, for example, you can't just use any link shorteners such as bit.ly in order to shorten your affiliate links. You have to use the one that's provided by Amazon. Okay. Another thing is, you cannot put affiliate links in emails or PDFs. And you have to use the buy now buttons that are provided for by Amazon. You can't just go on Google Images and look for any Amazon buy now buttons. Okay, and there are several other rules that may surprise you. So make sure you read the rules first to prevent your affiliate account from getting closed down.